In today's video, I am going to teach you how to take days off on Zoho People. Once you are logged in to Zoho People, take a moment to confirm you are on the main dashboard or home screen, where you can see the left-hand sidebar menu. This sidebar is where you will find the tools related to attendance and time off. To start your time off request, click Leave on the left-hand sidebar. This opens the Leave area, where you can view leave balances, past requests, and options to create a new request. Look for the option that says Apply Leave, and click it. This will bring up the leave application form. Next, you will select your leave type. This is important because it determines which leave balance the request will use and how it is tracked. Choose the option that matches your situation, such as annual leave for planned time away or sick leave if you are unwell. Take your time here and make sure you pick the correct type, since changing it later may require you to cancel and resubmit, depending on your organization's settings. After that, set your date range by choosing a start date and an end date. This tells the system exactly which days you are requesting off. Double-check the dates before moving on, especially around weekends or holidays, so the request reflects the time you actually need. If you are requesting multiple consecutive days, confirm the end date is correct, so you do not accidentally request extra days. If a reason is required, enter a short, clear explanation in the reason field. Keep it professional and specific enough for approval but concise. Some organizations require a reason for certain leave types, so this field may be mandatory. When everything looks correct, click Submit. Submitting sends your request for approval based on your company's workflow. After you submit, it is a good habit to look for any confirmation message and review your leave list to ensure the request appears with the correct dates and status. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.